Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use Adobe Audition for podcasting. Using Adobe Audition for podcasting is a great choice due to its powerful audio editing capabilities and wide range of tools, specially designed for enhancing spoken word content. To get started, open Adobe Audition on your PC. Then make sure you have audio created. Go to File, go to New, then choose Multi-Track Session. Choose a name for your podcast episode and choose a location to save your project. Choose a template, for example, podcast if available, or choose None and configure your session manually. Set the sample rate to 44100 and bit depth to 16-bit, which is standard for podcasting. This ensures high quality audio without unnecessarily large file sizes. For a typical podcast session, you might want separate tracks for each speaker, background, music, sound effects, and other audio elements. Now, connect your microphone to your PC. Ensure it is recognized by Audition. Go to Edit, Preferences, Audio Hardware to choose your input and output devices. Then hit OK. Now, in the multi-track editor, click the R record button on the track where you'll record your voice. Speak into the microphone and adjust the input levels so they peak between -6 decibels and -3 decibels. This avoids distortion while ensuring a strong signal. Click the record button on the transport controls at the bottom of the screen. Record your podcast and speak clearly into the microphone. When finished, click the stop button. Use the timer to track the duration of your recording. This helps in maintaining the desired length of your episode. Now right-click on the red button, then enable Punch-in Recording for re-recording specific sections without starting over. This is useful for correcting mistakes on the fly. Now, to import additional audio files, go to the File, Import, File, to bring in intro music, background tracks, or sound effects. Then hit Open. Just drag and drop the imported audio onto these separate tracks into the multi-track editor. Arrange your audio clips in the timeline according to your podcast script or flow. Ensure music and effects are on dedicated tracks for better control. Now, use the razor tool to trim and cut. Choose the razor tool from the toolbar or press the R key to cut your audio tracks. Cut unwanted sections such as mistakes or long pauses. Use the Move tool, press V to drag audio clips along the timeline, aligning them for natural conversation flow. You can also apply fade in and fade out effects to your audio tracks by going to Clips and choose Fade in and Fade out. This is especially useful for smooth transitions between music and dialogue. Apply Dynamics Processing. Go to Effects, Amplitude and Compression, Dynamics Processing. Use presets like Vocal Over to improve clarity and presence of dialogue. Equalize with Parametric Equalizer. Go to Effects, Filter and EQ. Parametric Equalizer. Boost frequencies between 1000 to 3000 Hz for clearer speech. Apply the ESR to reduce sibilance. Go to Effects, Amplitude and Compression. The ESR. Adjust frequency and threshold to target sibilant sounds, usually around 5 to 10 kHz. Use Speech Volume Leveler. Navigate to Effects, Amplitude and Compression. Speech Volume Leveler. This helps even out the volume of dialogue, making it consistent throughout. Adapted Noise Reduction. Go to Effects, Noise Reduction Restoration, Adaptive Noise Reduction. Fine-tune settings to remove background noise while keeping the dialogue natural. Apply Track EQ. Use Track EQ to adjust frequency balance on individual tracks, emphasizing or de-emphasizing certain elements. And lastly, use Multi-Band Compressor. Go to Effects, Amplitude and Compression, Multi-Band Compressor. Apply presets like Broadcast to enhance overall loudness and consistency. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.